Welcome back to our channel How to Guide.
I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can make money in Webtoon. So guys, if you're an aspiring comic artist, but you also want to make a living off of it, but you'd have no idea on how you can make money, then this video is for you. So guys, you just need to be in the Webtoon's main website, and once you're there, just go ahead and look at this top bar. All you need to do is tap on this Creators 101. So just scroll down. You can also directly choose this Get Started Now, and you can be able to create a comic right off the bat. But there are also important things you should know before you choose to do that. You can see this article right here that says making money on Webtoon Canvas. Just go ahead and tap on learning more. So guys, it says right here that you need to hit a total of 500 likes or higher on your series for that series to become eligible. So guys, if someone has a comic and they have gotten more than 500 likes, then they are officially a part of Webtoon's main comic artist. And you should also be able to follow Webtoon's community policy and uploading guidelines. It also says right here that creators must be at least 18 years old for the age of majority in their state of residence. And you also need to sign up and apply for the Super Like program. So guys, if you're wondering on what Super Like program is, then Super Like program is more than a regular like. So if you have ultimate fans and if they choose to super like your content, then that will help you gain more revenue, and it will also reach more people, which will be really good for your brand and your comic. And in that way, Webtoon could also officially sign you up for official Webtoon comic page, and you would be able to activate Super Like on any of your eligible series, which will help you gain more exposure. And if your readers super like it, they will also become super fans. Once you have activated Super Like, fans can choose how many super likes they would like to purchase and send for each episode. So guys, Super Like is like a reward that your fans send you, and it will also help you gain exposure. There's also an ad revenue sharing program. It says right here that creators can earn 50% from ads displayed on their series. So you should also focus on ads, which are very helpful for you. It says that to be part of the ad revenue sharing program, you need to sign up as a creator for the ad revenue sharing program, and you need to hit the minimum global monthly page view and other requirements for viewer ads or reward ads, and you need to apply for review. Your ad is also very important. It says right here that you need to have a series with a total of 1,000 subscribers or higher and global monthly page views of 40,000 or higher. So guys, all you need to do is go ahead and tap on join now if you have met these minimum requirements. So guys, after you've completed all these steps, and if you want to become a Patreon, you could also do that. Then you'll finally see this option that says start sharing your stories now. Once you tap there, you will be given this page. All you need to do is choose the genre of your comic. So the website is asking you to create a comic right here. I'm going to choose heartwarming, and you can also choose a second genre, but this is optional. I'm going to choose fantasy and type in your serious cycle. You can also upload an image. This is a square thumbnail, so make sure it's really square and must meet these requirements. And there's also the option of vertical thumbnail, so you should also do that. This is very helpful for ads since both of these images are used. So you also need to write summary of your comic, which should be less than 500 characters right here. You should also need to type in your email so that they can contact you through your email about your work. And there's also this content rating self-assessment. So if your comic has these options like violent and graphic content, nudity, sexual content, profanity, alcohol, drugs or tobacco, sensitive themes and topics, you just need to choose on how violent or sensitive they are. So once you tap here, if there's a mild violence, just type there. You can also choose nudities option, profanity. I'm going to choose no profanity, alcohol, drugs, or tobacco, and sensitive themes. And once you choose that, all you need to do is just choose these options right here. So guys, make sure that you have chosen really accurate options right here, because this can be sensitive to your audiences if they have personally suffered through harassment, bullying, and your comic contains themes of that topic. Then you should make your audience aware of that, because that might trigger them. So you should be very careful about that. And once you've chosen all these things, all you need to do is tap on create series, and you would be able to create your first comic, and that will help you make money. So guys, that's how you make money in Webtoon. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.